Welcome back to another episode of Resell Recap, where we go over all the resellable items of the week. This week, Jordan 1s dropped and Yeezys dropped. Like this video and subscribe for more Resell Recap. First up, we got the only good item this week of Supreme. It was the Supreme S&M 1995 BMX Dirtbike in red. The retail on this was $18.98, and these have sold on StockX for around $5,000. So with fees of $600, you could make around $2,500 profit on each bike you got. And some people, especially some of the bot users, they got more than one bike. So these people could have profited around $5,000 on just one Supreme drop. So that's pretty insane. So next up, we got the first item of the 327 pack by New Balance. It is the black colorway, and these had a retail of $110, and with resale prices around $200 for each size and fees of $24, you could make around $66 on each pair that you got of these. I have to say, New Balance has absolutely been killing the game recently. They've been dropping a lot of hype products, and these are also hyped, and these are also going to flip for a lot of money. So I would say if you're going to go for any drops, just watch these New Balance drops, because these are reselling really good, and I think they should continue to resell really good. So these are definitely a really clean item, and I suggest maybe picking one up as a personal. Alright, next up we got the New Balance 327 Blue Orange, which is the second item in this pack. These also retail at $110. These are reselling for about $220. With fees of $26 per pair, you can make around $84 per pair if you sold on StockX, which is really good. I saw a lot of bots cook these out. Bots absolutely destroy New Balance, so I'd hope New Balance kind of does some bot protection to fix this up, so people who actually want the pairs like me can get them. But I definitely say New Balance is going to do really good on resale in the future, and they could be one of the brands to reckon with, at least for resale, competing with Adidas and Nike. Alright, we got the last item in the 327 pack, the gray ones. These retail at $110 and are reselling for around $300 on StockX. With fees of $36 per pair, you can make around $150 profit on each pair you got. And these, I said, were the best colorway and would resell for the most. So I'm right, like usual. But these are absolutely insane profit margins, and New Balance keeps killing it with these colorways, especially this gray one. This one's absolutely fire. I tried to go for some of these, and they sold out basically instantly. So just try and get some New Balances. They're selling really nicely, and they're just going to be amazing shoes for people to wear. Alright, next up we got the Yeezy 350 V2 Sulfur. These retailed at $220, and with resale prices around $335 right now, and fees of $40. You can make around $75 per pair on these. Splash Force absolutely cooked these out, so I recommend if you want these, their new Yeezys coming out, you should get Splash Force. It cooks Yeezy supply every time. But a lot of people slept on these, including myself, because they're going for the Royal Toes or they're just doing something else. These probably didn't have as many people going for them because Royal Toes were absolutely the main priority, and they could sell for a lot more, at least for profit right now. Alright, last up is the Jordan 1 High Royal Toe. These retailed at $170 with resale prices around $315 and fees of $40. You could make over $100 per pair on these. I don't think it was a good drop because bots cooked a lot on these sites, and I don't think there was as many pairs as people thought there was going to be. The prices are a lot higher than even I predicted. I thought these would do like $225 around the Court Purple range right now, but they're doing $315. They'll probably drop like $30 per pair, but they'll still stay really high because not that many people touch these. So I think these probably won't be the greatest hold, but I think if you're getting these, you should probably sell your early pairs and maybe keep a couple to see if the prices go up in the long term. But I definitely think these are good hold either way. Alright, so this week I took an L on the New Balances, the Supreme bike, and the Yeezy 350 Sulfurs. I only took a dub on the Jordan 1 Royal Toes. I caught 2 pairs of those. Alright, so for the Royal Toes, I caught sizes 10 and size 11. Both of them cost around $185.30. And since we haven't sold them yet, we don't have any revenue or profit on these. But now I have 4 pairs of these Royal Toes, and it looks like it's going to be a big profit for me. Alright, so I just partnered with this great cook group, Unlimited Cook. They're $30 a month. There's a link in the description to go buy them. You can use my code, HowToResell, for $10 off. That will also support the channel. They've got a lot of stuff there. They've got exclusive group buys. They've got Supreme monitors. They've got everything you could want in the cook group. It's just a great group. They also have random resale, so I've done a lot of stuff with that, and you make a ton of money. They also have an Amazon monitor. I've cooked a lot of stuff off that. And they've also done some free slots for the Royal Toes and the Sulfurs. So it's great. If you want any of those shoes, just join the group. There's a link in the description.